Hey, hello everybody. How y'all doing? Today we're going to talk about planting elderberries. Come on, let's go. Elderberries are pretty good plants to have around on your farm and also to have around to harvest. Where you can have as medicine, you can use it as syrup, you can use it, you can eat the edibles. But one thing, the edibles can be toxic, so you have to boil them down too as well before eating them too as well. And you also have to plant these things like 10 to 20 feet apart from each other. And these are pretty good in North America to grow. And let me show you how I plant these. So as you can see, I got a hole already dug. So I just put them in there like that, and then I just cover them up. And then I just water them lightly, just keep them moist. And then I probably say I keep them in here for about a month or so. And then I transplant them off, and you'll see I cut like the clippings off of them once they start growing up. So you really can cut them up shorter than this. I can cut them up like this and then cut it up like this. So, but I'm gonna just bury the whole thing. So whenever these come up, I'm gonna just take individual one and cut them, and I'm gonna make that area into a tree. So that's how I do it. This is the most simplest way I can break it down. It'd be complex to so many people. And that's how I do my elderberry. Yeah, most areas, you know, elderberry is known as like China berry too as well. Most areas, they grow wild, like along like the creeks and stuff. If you like ever go like in the national forest and kayak and stuff like that, you'll see them growing up on the side of the creek. I say probably, it depends on where you at. Most areas, they'll start coming out around like July or August. They start off with these white flowers, then they turn into these little red, like purplish berries. And then you just harvest them. You know, you can make syrup out of them. You can make medicine out of them, like I say. Check out your local nursery or something and see, do they carry elderberry? This is a type of plant that you can add on to your farm or your homestead, and it'll be good for you as medicine. And like I say, this is the time, guys, to start packing up on learning all the stuff that you need to learn. You know, pumpkin's looking pretty good out here too as well. But y'all keep staying tuned. I appreciate for everybody being supporting. Keep sharing the video. One love.